If you wish to use Gemini AI to translate something by using your mobile, I show you how you can do. First, open the Gemini app. So we have two options. Either we can copy from a document file or photo, or use your camera to translate something. For example, I'm going to translate this paragraph from English to Tamil. I mean the language, from one language to other language. So what you have to do means click the plus icon at the left bottom and select camera. If you have any photo you want to translate, you just click the gallery and select the photo. For now I choose camera. Agree. So you just randomly take a photo, something like that. We can crop the thing. Okay, it's captured. Now just click the crop and adjust as per your wish. Okay, I select this portion, attach, and it's added. Now here type the language. I mean, if you don't know the language, this photo language, you just type the language you want to translate to. I mean, for now it's in English. I want to translate this to Spanish. I just type translate to Spanish. Just type like this and click the send button. It's translated. Here you can find that it's translated to Spanish from English. So this is how you need to translate. And if you want to know more videos about Gemini AI, you need to watch this playlist.